Currently, a third of all mechanical issues relating to axle and suspension failure can be attributed to potholes, which cost British motorists an estimated £2.8 billion a year. This is a valuable source of income for the UK motor industry, and after any repair work, it's essential to ensure the wheels are realigned. Most garages pass this job on to a third party. We have the solution for you. The Sealey GA70 4-wheel laser wheel aligner. This excellent tool allows you to offer an additional service, giving you the opportunity to increase your profits. Conventional wheel aligners set up the front suspension independently from the rear. However, it's essential the front and rear wheels are in alignment prior to making any adjustments. The GA70 solves this by aligning all four wheels to ensure an accurate setup, and is suitable for most cars and light commercial vehicles with rim diameters between 320 and 540 mm. Being battery operated, it's fully portable, which makes it ideal for track day enthusiasts for changing suspension setups. It's supplied with wheel turn plates, a steering wheel clamp, and a wheeled storage rack. And if you need your unit recalibrated, we offer a chargeable calibration service. Alternatively, a calibration rig is available as an optional extra. Model number GA70CR. The GA70 is quick and simple to use, making it ideal for the busy professional workshop, and offers a fast return on your investment.